to the part 3 of our IV venture. And this time, we're going to the highest peak in the kingdom, which is called the Jabal al-Soda. And alam nyo ba na it's 3,015 meters above sea level. From its great heights, ito ay pinapalibutan lang naman ng walang katapusang Sarawat Mountains bago mo marating ang city ng Abha mismo. We have decided to pass by the zigzag road, which is very challenging kung ikaw talaga yung nagde-drive. Pero umupo lang ako and nag-i-enjoy sa view, kaya feel na feel ko talaga yung kumuha ng videos while enjoying the road as well. Mind you, this is really not easy to go up this kind of road, lalong-lalo na po sa driver. So, 100% ingat for the safety of everybody. At dahil dyan, nagpahinga po muna kami para naman po makapag-rest po si Kuya Chito while driving us up towards that very peak of the kingdom. Alright, but you can see the view here. It's so beautiful. And the clouds are like literally covering the sun. So, na-enjoy ko ng mabuti yung weather, yung park. I owned it. And hearing the sounds of the birds and kind of like animals, probably lalabas na yung mga nag-invite sa amin talaga dito sa Abha. Malalaman mo mamaya kung sino sila. So look at that, the clouds covering the sun, which makes it more cooler. Na nasa taas ka na, and I'm really trying to fix my camera so you can see the view. Yung nasa taas ka na at malamig na siya, plus the clouds covering the sun, it makes the temperature really good and way better to go outside and take a relaxing moment while enjoying and owning the park. Yung mga kasama ko, they take time to rest in the car just to take a nap. While me, I'm enjoying the moment kasi minsan lang ako dito and it's my first time and I don't want to miss anything with this trip. So, ayan, I own the park. And the inner child of me took over. Kaya naman, in-enjoy ko muna yung pag-swing-swing ko dito habang may oras pa to relax ng konti. At ayan na nga, dumadating na nga sila. Yung mga talagang nag-invite sa amin dito sa Abha, sila talaga yon. Sila talaga yung reason kung bakit kami napunta ng Abha. I am fascinated but at the same time scared with the baboons. You know that they became the tourist attraction phenomenon in Saudi Arabia. Kasi nga, the people love them. You know, when you see something like this, it's different. So usually people are feeding them, giving them something like food or etc. And they get used to it and they don't like, they're not scared with people anymore. Like this one, attacking the car actually, and wait lang po. Na-speechless ako sa nakita ko. Excuse me naman po. Baboons are opportunistic feeders, kaya pag may nakita silang mga tao, they really love it and they came along with. Yung mga clouds sa Abha are one of its most beautiful distinct features. Maraming clouds ang Abha dahil nga sa antas ng level ng Asir Mountains. This elevation means often above or inside the cloud layer, lalong-lalo na sa hapon. Sa buwan ng June to September, yung Abha daw are experiencing a seasonal monsoon-like pattern. Ito yung moist winds from the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea blown in na nagdadala ng daily cloud formation and rain. And it is a phenomenon locally called Asir rainfall. You can see that. Literally. See? Coming up there. And here. And so cold. Mas lalo akong na-curious sa mga sinasabi nila if it's real. Yung orographic lifting, Yung bang moist air moves from the Red Sea and it forced rise by the mountains. At it rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds, often in the afternoon, and it becomes a thunderstorm. So, parang tingnan mo yung clouds very, very near. Ang lapit-lapit ko na talaga sa clouds at parang lapit-lapit ko na rin kay Lord. Actually covered up. See? You can't see the mountain where we came from earlier because it's coming up here. Oh. Magkakaroon kaya ng afternoon thunderstorms? I'm very curious talaga. Alright, one more view ikot before I go back inside the car. Tayo na nga, nagpatuloy ng biyahe namin and look at that fog along the way. Sobrang ganda at sobrang cool, sobrang lamig. And it's so, so beautiful. Kita mo naman. I want to feel it. So I put my hands out and feel how cool it is. Amazing. Imagine feeling this weather on a summer where in Saudi Arabia, which is often summer. So I'm so blessed to experience this kind of weather, and I'm so blessed to see it myself with my both eyes exploring this beautiful city of Abha. And sa pagpatuloy namin, eto na nga, you can't believe it. You really can't believe it. Umulan talaga siya. Hindi ko lang talaga na kunan ng buong video, pero look at that. It was very heavy rain along the way. The city of clouds as they called. So, eto na nga at narating na namin. But look at this. Parang walang nangyaring ulan along the way. On this part of the mountain, it was very sunny and it's so beautiful, wonderful, woody nature. Parang look at this big stones I'm walking into. Ang ganda-ganda. Look at that. Beautiful. It's the sun. I wanna go there first. Gusto kong puntahan yung doon. O ano meron dito? Oo. I can't go any farther kasi may sumusunod na stranger. Kaya ayoko namang maitulak dun sa bangin. But anyway, look at that view. It's so amazing. This part is a rough road area where sometimes may mga off-road cars na dumadaan talaga dito. As you can see, the rough terrain, talaga namang makikita mo na may dumadaan talagang rough road cars in this terrain. And you can see the beautiful roads down there. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. It might not seem that beautiful in the video, but it's really beautiful. And mind you, dapat naka-trail shoes ka dito kasi ang hirap talaga. I wear slippers and I felt really painful with my calves and my quads right away. Kasi nga, I have to control my legs walking down and walking up towards back the car. Ang sakit ng paa ko dito. I used my slippers lang. Kasi nga, ang haba ng biyahe namin mula pa kagabi hanggang the next day, super haggard na. We had our stop here kasi nga, nagutom din kami and we had packed our lunch, we had packed our snacks, and si ate nga, nagluluto ng snacks namin, which is the cheeseburger. And while they're cooking, I'm sightseeing. Kasi naman, oh my God, this is my first time to come over and I don't want to miss anything in this place. Look at that. It's so amazing. If you have seen my Instagram, I always running on trail every weekends, every Fridays. and that I really love nature so much. It gives me peace, it gives me strength more, it gives me more energy to renew my week so I can start another. And of course, nandito na naman yung mga friends namin, nagsilabasan na naman sila ulit. And look at that, beautiful trees. And the baboons are coming out. Of course, we have to take good care kasi nga, kinukuha din nila yung mga gamit, alam mo ba? They're really not scared of people anymore because of, yun nga. Alam mo ba na pinagbabawal na din sa Saudi Arabia pag-feed sa kanila dahil nga hindi na sila natatakot sa tao, and there are some incidents talaga reported na ayoko lang sabihin, but you can search a lot about baboons in Saudi Arabia to know further bakit siya pinagbawal na to feed them. While the time is ticking to eat, we still have to enjoy the moment. And chika-chika muna. Checking on the place. Yun na nga. Chill. Eto na nga, nakikichismis sa amin ng isang pusa.
Nagsimula sa, paano ba nagsimula? May nagbigay. Tapos yung kapatid ko, bumili siya ng pusa. Nasa ibang bahay siya. Nanganak. Binili niya.
Alright, so this is the place.
God, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, and thank you for this life. Sorry I complain, the ups and the downs is just a part of the game. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, Ride through the city, just reflecting on
Hello,
me, and I'm
moon.
just
So
keeping it
while
real.
enjoying the place, of course, we can't miss the moment not to take pictures. Kaya naman, eto na.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, look, L-I-M-P-O-P-O. I do it cause niggas they don't. Yeah, they're waiting for me to get home. Yeah, and I got a bag full of goodies. Yeah.
At dahil nga nakakapagod din naman ang sobrang halos 24 hours na kaming nasa biyahe. At eto nga'y mag-shimmy-shimmy muna kami. Uy, may pa-entry. Kaya lang, copyright. Kaya eto na muna. Yun lang. At dito ko tinatapos ang ating part 3 sa Ivy Enter. Maraming salamat. I love you all. Thank you for watching.